Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Viewers,
Yeah.
welcome to Lagos Lux Kitchen. So in today's video, we're going to be making this special African spinach. I'll tell you, it's the best that you can have for the season. So what you do is just to measure your rice, the quantity you desire, and wash it properly. So pour it in the boiling water. Make sure your water is boiling before adding the washed rice. And add little salt, then cover and boil. So in a saucepan, cut your fresh beef into bits, not too small and not too big. Then add some chopped onions and soy sauce. So what you do is just to leave with no trace of water. Then you mix. So lastly, you're going to be adding your fresh chilies. So this time the rice is boiled, and I added some hot leaves. That was mint leaf. So while that's ready, I washed my roughly chopped African spinach and just placed it on a saucepan. No water and nothing. So on a low heat, I covered it to steam. Now at this point, the beef is boiled and completely dried. So what I did was just to add some pepper, ginger and garlic paste. Then I mix together and also leave that to fry. So firstly, I have my sesame seeds, some slanted hot fresh chilies, chopped garlic, chopped onions, and that's the butter, soy sauce and salt if needed. So at this point, the beef is well fried. So in a clean hot saucepan, I added my butter. Remember, the butter already have some garlic, ginger, pepper paste. So getting that to melt, I I'm going to be adding my sesame seeds. Yes, red chilies,
Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are from the freshest, always for the eldest. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the eldest.
chopped onions,
Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the
chopped
freshest,
garlic,
and for the eldest. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the eldest.
and soy sauce.
We are from the freshest, always for the eldest. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the eldest. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Come on.
So while the dark soy sauce is in there, we're going to mix it together and just leave it to fry for 1 minute.
Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the eldest. Lagos loves teaching.
I bet you this method is just
All made
the best
of the
you can have
and
for making your sauce.
We are from the freshest.
So can you just see the vegetable is still retain its color and it's soft and moist. And so inside the vegetable, we're going to be adding the meat sauce. I mixed it a little. Then the pepper sauce, the pepper, garlic, ginger, and butter sauce.
Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the eldest. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the freshest, and for the
So for the serving, I add a small plate, and so I plated the rice. gently, yes, I removed it from the bowl and just have this vegetable around the rice. I bet you this is a table crowned with goodness. It's crowned with goodness. It's just the best you can have for this Christmas and ever. It's so fresh, flavored and nutritious. So guys, thanks for watching. So let me know if you'll be trying this. And bye. See you in my next video.